Welcome back, everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable voice and video calls on Messenger. Make sure to stick around until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Disabling voice and video calls on Messenger means you won't receive any calls from a specific person. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Navigate to the conversation with the person for whom you want to turn off calls. You can find your chats by tapping on the chat icon or by searching for their name. Once you're in the conversation, tap on the person's name or the info icon at the top of the chat screen. This will take you to their profile page. Scroll down to find notifications and sounds and tap on it. Here, you'll see an option for calls. Toggle off the switch next to calls to disable both audio and video calls from that person. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Select until I change it and then tap OK. And that's it. Your settings will apply automatically, and you'll no longer receive voice or video calls from that contact. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below.